What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today's episode, we're going to take a shootout with the Supernova Overdrive and the Boss SD1. So the Supernova Overdrive is kind of their take on the SD1. At least that's what I'm thinking. So I thought it would be a fun way to just kind of see side by side how these two did. So we're going to use the Rivera Knucklehead Reverb. We're going to go on the second channel, which is the orange channel. It's kind of that modded JCM 800. I'm going to use my PRS 245 SE. We have the Arcane Inc. 57 Experience pickups. And let's see what we can do out of the sounds. Here we go. All right, so the Boss SD1 definitely does not have quite as much output or gain. Now, the Supernova Overdrive is kind of everything that an SD1 is, but more. This is a great take on an SD1. At least I believe it is an SD1. I'm not totally sure. Same kind of tones. Everything is pretty much there. It's just this one has got more oomph behind it. You know what I mean? So it's got that extra kick in the face. And it sounds phenomenal. So I'm going to go ahead and on the amp, I'm going to put it on the blue channel. And we'll go from there. All right, so clearly, as you can tell, the Supernova Overdrive is incredible. It's got the extra little grit to it. It's a little more transparent sounding, and it definitely tightens the signal up a lot more compared to a regular SD1. So, anyways, that's kind of what you get with the Rivera Knucklehead Reverb. Obviously, the amp doesn't really need it. But it definitely does add some really good, flavor to the amp. So tell me in the comments below what you guys thought, and we'll see you on the next one.